The exact number of Iranian casualties remains unknown. Estimates range from dozens to more than 200. Iran never released official numbers, but one fact is clear. After Operation Praying Mantis, Iranian attacks on Gulf shipping dropped dramatically, and within months, the Iran-Iraq War finally moved towards ceasefire. For the sailors aboard USS Samuel B. Roberts, the battle became unforgettable. Many believed they would not survive the explosion, yet their training, discipline, and teamwork saved the ship. On the Iranian side, sailors aboard the Sahand faced a devastating technological mismatch. The United States possessed precision-guided weapons, advanced radar systems, and overwhelming air power. The battle revealed a new era of naval warfare. Technology had become more important than sheer numbers. Operation Praying Mantis reshaped military thinking. Navies around the world realized surface ships without strong air defense could not survive modern combat. The operation also established a new model for conflicts that exist between peace and full-scale war. On April 18, 1988, the Persian Gulf became the stage for one of the most powerful naval demonstrations of the modern era, a battle triggered by a single underwater mine, and a reminder that in modern warfare, technology decides who survives the sea.